Hi, Satnam. I'm Mukande with Kundalini Yoga for All, where you can get your Kundalini Ong. Tomorrow begins a 40-day process where I will post a short video about Kundalini Yoga and yogic lifestyle tips. In 40 days, on Saturday, August 30th, I will be teaching a class at the Floyd Yoga Jam in Floyd, Virginia. It's a beautiful place and it's so much fun. There's all kinds of yoga classes you can take during the day and fabulous music to listen to all afternoon and late into the night. MC Yogi will be there again this year, so come on down and have some fun with us in the hills of Virginia. Thank you very much. You can find me on Facebook at Kundalini Yoga number 4 all. Satnam.